Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest Amazon purchase. This is the 8-pack of silicone watch straps for the Apple Watch. These should fit series 1 through 6. The bands haven't changed on the Apple Watch throughout all the series. As with all my purchases, I bought this item with my own money. I like doing these videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item, wants to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So I mentioned you get 8 different straps here. I'm not going to show you all of them. Maybe I'll just give you a glance at each of them. They're all soft silicone. Just to give a comparison in size. Look to be a tad longer than the original one that came with the Apple Watch. At least on the longer side, that's true. Feel nice and soft. Try and give you a glimpse of the colors here. They all have a stainless colored buckle. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.